Muthee Kiengei rĩu nĩarĩkĩtie kuuga kwaheri. He has taken to his Facebook page to bid goodbye to the people of AIPCA Gatundu, kũrĩa akoretwo agĩtungata kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka ĩrĩ, the past 2 years, no rĩu nĩarĩkĩtie kumbũra atĩ his term there has come to an end. He has taken to his Facebook page to personally say his last words, na oho nĩacoka aumbũra where he's headed to next, kanitha ũrĩa rĩu egũkorwo agĩtungata his new chapter. Na ĩno nĩyo ndũmĩrĩri akorwo akĩrekereria akiuga, in my 2 years of service to Gatundu Diocese, I have served well, right and faithfully. I thank God for the impact and the change experienced through my service as the in-charge. It's now a new chapter, a new environment and a new challenge, but more so a hard moment to say goodbye to my Gatundu family. Though overjoyed to say karibuni muonje utamu huu wa Yesu in my new station, AIPCA Kipia Church Githunguri Town in Kiambu Diocese. Marũa mauma mauga ndĩthiĩre. I have served well, I have kept my promise and I will still uplift more lives through God and charity. Ngai wa Pastor Ben mũrĩkĩra nginyo ciakwa o nginya ngahotana wĩra-inĩ ũyũ. Now this message has caught so many people off guard, more so andũ a AIPCA Gatundu nĩ matigwo makĩũria rĩu mekũrora nakũ, no nĩ akenu mũno nĩ ũndũ wa Muthee Kiengei Pastor Ben, because they say that the way he found that church tigwo amĩtiga, in fact he has left it at a better place, na for that they will forever be grateful. Na oho nĩ akenu kuona atĩ Pastor Ben is advancing in his career as a minister, as a church minister, and for that they are congratulating him. Ann Wairimu akiuga, congratulations, keep up the good work and may Almighty God bless you always. Rachel Wageci akiuga, it's good to serve God without limitations, God bless you. Jane Kariuki akauga, congratulations Pastor Ben, you left Gatundu better than the way you found it. Githunguri is so lucky to have you Pastor, wish you all the best. Kiengei will now be ministering at AIPCA Kifea Church ĩrĩa ĩ Githunguri Town in Kiambu Diocese, na onake nĩ mũkĩrĩu nĩ wĩra ũrĩa ahota kũruta Gatundu. And of course he's looking forward to make more impact in his new church, AIPCA Kifea Church Githunguri. He believes he has served well in Gatundu, he has kept his promise, he has done his best. Na ona ithuĩ tukamwendithĩria all the best in the way forward, all the best in his new church, AIPCA Kifea Church. And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.